Hare Krishna, dear friends. Many of you have been asking me which colors to use, which brushes to use, and how to do it. So I just thought, about painting, posting pictures, but then I thought, let's do a small video about the entire thing, so it's much easier to follow. Of course, many of you must already be knowing many things, but just in case you don't, so this is for them. So these are the colors which I have been using. So this is like Artist's Loft. I got this from Michael's, and these are the metallic paints. It's a set of 12 colors available for around $12, but in Michael's you get a 40% off, so it works out to around $7 or $8. And these are the other colors. These are the neon or fluorescent colors, the same brand. And these are the ones which I used for the varli painting ones. If you see the bright colors, so they really pop out. So this is really nice. And these are the other acrylic colors which you can use, in case you're using just a single color or two colors. So you get them in like 2 fluid ounce bottles. Many different ones. Folk Art is one, and then you have Apple Barrel. So these are the readily available ones. Anywhere you'll get them, Walmart or Michael's, Joann's, anywhere. So if you're going to use really good amount, this works out really economical. The big one, 8 fluid ounce one. Okay. And when it comes to brushes, now these are a little thick ones, thick flat ones. These are really good to cover the canvas. So you can try to get something like that. I'm not sure about the numbers, but this says 5 by 8, something like this. Okay, I'm not able to focus. Okay, yeah, but something like this, something flat like this will really work. Now you have something even bigger, which can be used for a bigger canvas, but see to it that you get a very good quality one. Otherwise the hair from the brush, it comes off, and it will spoil your canvas or just get stuck up in the paint somewhere or the other. So this is about the supplies which we are going to use, and of course this is the canvas. This is the only size I have right now available. The ones which we will be using will be a bigger one, but I'll show you something on this.